Welcome to Radiant Health Café. If you have TMJ or if you grind the teeth, this little routine is for you. For TMJ, you work this area right in front of your ear to your lower jaw. You just stretch that. With your fingers of both hands, lightly stretch the muscle. And do it on the other side too. After you've stretched, then you can do the figure 8 in this area. I yawn whenever energy shifts. Just relax your shoulders when you do that. Now do it on the other side. Do this daily to help with the teeth grinding and TMJ. After that, then you can move your palms back and forth to change the polarity. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss an update from me.